Stop it.
You're a heavy lizard.
Stop.
No,
I'm doing sped run.
I didn't ask.
Nice opinion, but there's one small problem. Who asked? Yay, I got the skip.
No, you're the loser.
No, I got the skip in the first secret of Don't Make a Sound, also known as the Five Nights at Freddy's level in Pizza Tower. You have no idea what I'm talking about, and I will yap about it.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
I am the biggest staffer out of all.
Nuh-uh.
No.
Tell me the Pizza Tower more.
I don't know what Pizza Tower is, so leave me alone. But
That means that you can't yap!
I can yap about other things.
Yap about other things then.
I can yap about a lot of other things.
Ivan, how long can you yap?
0.1 seconds.
4 because it's my lucky number.
4?
Yeah,
4 what?
it's my lucky number.
No, I
4 big
said an answer, not a number.
Yeah, 4 is the answer.
What do you mean by 4?
4.
4 is not an answer.
No, he means 4 as in 4 million.
4 million? 4 million what?
I said 4 millimeters. I said 4 millimeters.
What do you mean by millimeters?
I can talk for 4 feet of seconds.
I can talk for $28.50.
Wait, Ivan, my mom still wants to know what 1.5 seconds of dollars are.
I don't know.
That's a thought.
Okay, Donald, just chill out. What? No.
Now it's some good guy.
4 big gods. I mean, what? Why is the soccer ball more rounded than the basketball?
Ivan, do you know how to type?
No.
Well, I need help. How do I type?
You type with your hands.
How?
With your hands.
I have no hands.
Well, type with your feet.
I don't have feet.
Well, you're type with your nose.
I don't have a nose.
Just look good. Now, who's
What?
not muted because there's no nose and it's
Sorry, bro, I can't hear you.
What?
Sorry, bro, I can't hear you.
What?
Because I'm listening to the Pizza Tower mastering sound effect.
Dude, if you couldn't hear me, how do you know I said why?
I didn't!
Then why do you respond after
Because that why was pretty loud.
Dude, you just said I don't.
You scared!
You just responded to what I said like 3 times with the literally same.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Sorry, AI chat cannot generate explicit content right now.
Yo, bro, I hate that screen. Why do so many people want the filter removed?
Guys,
Guys, what game should I buy? I have $10.
you have
Pizza
$10?
Tower.
You have $10?
Oh, never mind. You can only buy Pizza Tower for 20. Buy Geometry Dash.
No.
It costs $2.
You already, Jackson, you already talked me into getting Geometry Dash.
No, I didn't.
And I
Nuh-uh.
money I had.
You are.
Geometry Dash is shit.
Geometry Dash is $2.
Yeah,
Geometry
and
Dash is about to get refunded on my phone if it lets me.
Hold Malay.
it's refunded.
Let me see.
What other games other than Geometry Dash should I buy?
Baldi's Basics or something, I don't know.
Bowling Space X.
Plus.
I want to go inside a tree.
Yes!
My dog stepped on a tree.
I got it. I got world record.
Only legends can have this.
Let's make it go. Woo! I beat it by like 6 seconds. Let's go.
I'm gonna get freaky.